One of the most common questions I get from e-commerce sellers is, does business insurance even apply to me? And my answer is yes. If you're shipping products, handling payments, or storing customer informations, you need protection. The good news is that Next Insurance makes it super easy to find out whether your specific e-commerce business qualifies. Whether you sell handmade goods, electronics, supplements, or dropship, Next has policies tailored for over 1,300 professions, including e-commerce. All you have to do is head to their quote tool, linked below, choose your industry, and they'll walk you through the policies that fit your situation. It's all online, fast, and there's no obligation to buy. Click the link in the description to check if your business is covered by Next. It takes just a couple minutes to find out.